Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious mushroom soup using Knorr. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of Knorr cream of mushroom soup mix, 4 cups of water or milk, and 1 tablespoon of butter or oil. Don't forget about 8 ounces of fresh, sliced mushrooms to enhance the flavor and texture. This simple combination will create a wonderfully rich and satisfying soup in no time. Now, let's get those mushrooms ready. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter or oil in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, add your 8 ounces of sliced fresh mushrooms. Sauté them gently for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become tender and beautifully golden brown. This step is crucial for developing a deeper, more robust mushroom flavor in your soup. For those needing to deposit larger sums or requiring faster access to funds, wire transfers are an excellent choice. They often process within 1 business day. You'll need specific wiring instructions from Thinkorswim, which are easily found on their website. Alternatively, you can mail a personal check. While this method takes longer, typically 5 to 10 business days to clear, it remains a viable option for many. Finally, let's bring it all together. Pour your prepared soup base into the saucepan with the sautéed mushrooms. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent sticking. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. The soup will thicken beautifully, creating a rich and comforting meal ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.